Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a VR for closed challenge. Yeah, I know I am late, but I got done after the fact, so I still wanted to support her. She is purposely crafting the divine intervention, Janiva, and she was doing a pocket letter challenge for her 300 challenge giveaway. And if you guys need inspiration on pocket letters, head on over to her channel. She has 28 entries, which are all pocket letters. And this is my pocket letter. And you guys, if you guys already know that I do not make pocket letters. It's very hard for me to make them. I prefer not to. But I wanted to support her still, and it took me quite a while to get done with this. It took me about a week. I sat here looking at the pocket letter for like 2 days. I didn't know what to create, what to make, and as soon as I started, it just kept building and building and building, and it became the chunkiest pocket letter you have ever seen. So you guys, this thing is pretty chunky. It is a big boy, and so let's get into it. Okay, so first off, let's start from the top to the bottom. So let's go ahead and look at the top here. As you can see here, let me get a pointer. A pencil, not a pencil. Let's see here. Something better. I'll get my scissors. Okay, so right here is a flag, and underneath that flag is this yellow flower. On top of that flag is the bunny chipboard, and then this miniature chipboard flower. I did make this flower right here in a video, and I love them. I added this sticker, added a cluster, also added this sticker that says bloom, and this is a faux envelope flap, so it doesn't do anything except look cute. So that's all it looks like right there, and it's just for decorative purposes. She could take out all of the journaling cards if she liked, because I didn't glue anything on them, so she's able to use them for anything she'd like. Oh, let me keep that open. So right here is the chipboard embellishment, and I added a cluster here, and I did do some gold stitching on everything. This ticket right here, pink ticket, and then this heart right here was gifted to me by Amy L in a group swap we had. It was I believe a Christmas group swap. And then here is another handmade flower. Here is another little bird and the quail, and a flower right here, and a cherry from a die that I have, and I'll go over that when we go to the back of the pocket letter. Here is a little sequence there, so this is like a little faux pocket, envelope pocket. So the third, or the middle area, is I have this crochet bow right here, very dainty. I made this a paper clip rose, and then it has the journal card. It has a sticker right here, floral sticker, along with the little bird. And in the middle here is on the back there is a piece of paper, and I wrapped some of that yarn, that gold yarn that I bought from Hobby Lobby. I recently bought that thanks to Puchy. She sent a swap over and sent me some, and I had to have it. So there it is. I bought a whole spool. So, and then I added this rosette, and it has some layers, very minimal, but it still became thick, you know. I usually add layers under each chipboard, and I didn't do that on this one. So it is of course the rosette, then the floral chipboard, the floral fox, which is so cute, you guys. I love the floral fox, And then a hello, I did stitching on everything. Down here underneath, I added some seam binding. Underneath all the embellishments, I also have a In Love Art Shop die that I recently hauled. And then here is the bee, the Hobby Lobby bee. Over here, I glued on some wire wrap beads, just a few there, sample. And then we have this bee, the journal card, and it has stitching on it. Next is the last layer, and I will go give you a closer look on all of this as well. So here's a chipboard piece. This is the blue house. I have a sticker in the back. It's the pink house. Another sticker is a floral. The butterfly is a sticker along with another handmade floral. Right here we have another floral paper clip that I made. It's holding this tea bag gifted to me by Angela, Love Pink Dragonflies. And I added this cluster of sequins. Right here is the chipboard butterfly and the pink floral sticker. On this side is the bee and the photo chipboard along with some seam binding and some sequins. And then for the spine, or if you want to call it that, I braided some yarn and I added a little tassel at the, well, it became a tassel, so I tied it. Oh, I got a little something there. I tied it and then I cut it to be a little bit smaller than the top. So this bow right here was gifted to me in a group swap by Vero, little pretty little paper, or I will have her linked below. And then I didn't cut this yarn short, I left it long, and then I added some beads, if you can see there. Added some beads, and they're clear beads, and I bought these beads from Michael's. Yeah, I think Michael's. I bought them from Michael's. So let me go ahead and that's the whole thing. Let's go ahead and look at it closer. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it over, and here's a lot to look at, you guys. Okay, so here's where all the embellishments are. So I left this side clear because she needs to see where the holes are, and she could stick this in a binder and it'll still go through the yarn. So that way she can do that. So right here I added the shine chipboard. This is an envelope, and it's also, well, it's a SVG file. The faux flap is also an SVG file from Lori Whitlock. I will have everything linked below. This tassel right here was gifted to me by Vero as well. I will have her linked below. So the first envelope here has this cute little box sticker, and then you open it and it's sealed with the Velcro from Dollar Tree. And then I added my information here. So in here, so you pull these out, and these are kind of like 3D butterflies. Let me get you closer. So they're like 3D butterflies, and I'm gonna turn it so you could see. So I think they came out so cute. I added some stickers on each side, added some stitching. So I'm gifting her those handmade butterflies using a Sizzix die, which I picked up from Amazon. And it's right here, this one right here. Right there. And then the next one is this right here. The next envelope has a little butterfly. It says beautiful. I made her some of Kayla's bows, and hopefully she'll do a tutorial on that for you guys. And I put it inside this little baggie, and I glued it down with double-sided removable dots. And so it opens like the last or the first envelope. You pull these out, and here is my card that I'm gifting, well, I'm giving her so she knows what I have to say. And then here are the embellishments. So if you could go for that one. Such a cute little die that was gifted to me by Puchy Tats. She gifted to me in our last group swap. And let me get that. It's a Rosie's die, and she gifted this to me. And it was perfect for this embellishment. I love it. Thank you so much, Puchy. Yeah, so thank you. Look at these. I made her these little embellishments. If you can see there, I added the butterfly from the In Love Art Shop haul that I did. And I added stickers and some flowers and some hand-tied bows. And I did do stitching, added stickers on both ends like the last one. I love these, you guys. These ones, I like how those turned out. Those turned out really cute. It was so fun to create them as well. Okay, the last envelope also has a gift, and this is a bow which she could remove. It says sunshine here, and it has the stickers of a house and a bird. And then I made these little cupcakes with the In Love Art Shop die, and I will have them linked below, but I think they came out so cute. I'm gonna add some stickles to it so it could be glittery. The blue, I want the blue to be glittery and shiny. And it's a cupcake, so you know cupcakes need to be very glittery, very shiny. So that is it, you guys. Look how cute. I think I love them. I love them because I'm not an embellishment person. It's hard for me to make embellishments, but when I do make embellishments, sometimes I do love them. So that is my pocket letter. Let me zoom you out. That is my pocket letter to Janiva. Hopefully she likes it. It will be going out in the mail hopefully tomorrow, which is Monday. And I love how it turned out. Very chunky. That's the only thing, is that I couldn't do it flat. So it's very chunky. She will need to probably put it in its own binder. I'm just playing, but really, right? It's so chunky that it has to go in its own place. But yeah, that is it. Hopefully you guys will check her out, get some inspiration from her channel with her recent challenge with pocket letters. And I'm glad I entered, even though it's going late, and I'm glad I'm able to support. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.